Have you ever pondered the perplexing concept of infinite division? How can something be divided again and again ad infinitum? Well, today we are going to dive into the fascinating realm of infinite division using a simple concept, a square. Visualize a square. It's a simple shape, right? 4 equal sides, 4 right angles. Now imagine splitting that square into 4 smaller, identical squares. Each of these smaller squares is a quarter of the original square. Now take one of those smaller squares and once again divide it into 4 yet smaller squares, and then do it again and so on to infinity. This process is what we call infinite division. It's the idea that you can keep dividing something, in this case a square, into smaller and smaller pieces, never reaching a point where you cannot divide any further. But hold on, you might ask, doesn't there have to be a limit? How can something continue to be divided infinitely? Isn't there a point where the pieces are so small they can't be divided any further? Well, in the physical world, yes, there would be a limit. But in the world of mathematics, there is no such limitation. Math allows us to explore concepts that may seem impossible or nonsensical in the physical world. Infinite division is a perfect example of this. In the physical world, we can't actually divide a square into an infinite number of pieces. But in math, we can, and we do. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of the world and forces us to think in new and different ways. So, to summarize, today we've explored the concept of infinite division. We've taken a simple square and divided it into smaller squares over and over again without end. We've seen how this concept, while seemingly impossible in the physical world, is perfectly plausible in the world of mathematics. Infinite division challenges our understanding and forces us to think differently. It's a fascinating concept, one that opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. So the next time you see a square, remember, in the world of math, it can be divided infinitely. And that, my friends, is the beauty and mystery of mathematics.